everybody, welcome back to another video. It's Marybeth here inside the back office of Profit Pals Pro. A very, very simple, affordable, and super popular program that truly has taken the internet by storm this year alone in 2025. And if you are looking for a simple side hustle, something that can help you to put some extra cash in your bank account, especially right now, year-end, holiday season upon us, you're in the right place at the right time. Congratulations. This program is absolutely amazing. You're going to absolutely love it. No doubt about it. It has everything that you could ever need or want for one affordable price point. No monthly fees at all. Easy to set up. No learning curves, no tech. You can be literally set up in a matter of minutes, and all you have to do is just focus on sharing your website link. That is it. And there are so many choices for that. If you have any type of social media following, or if you're on social media, that's a great place to advertise and share, because there's over 5,000 people alone on social media. It is free, and this time of year, who doesn't need extra cash for the holidays? So that's absolutely perfect. We have Facebook. We have YouTube, my two best favorite places to go for social media. That's what I use, and it has brought me great results. But of course, you've got to be willing. If you're using social media, it's free, yes. Commit to the process and just remain consistent. You can put up a simple post on your profile page, on your Facebook page. You could do stories, Facebook stories. You can do short videos. You can do faceless. You can post in work from home groups. You can change it up, mix it up, folks, whatever you like. All right? YouTube, you can do these type where you share your screen sharing, talking, non-talking. You can do YouTube Shorts. You can do faceless. There's so many possibilities. You can go live on YouTube. You can go live on Facebook. Do you have to? No, you don't. Folks, that's only if you want to utilize social media. Of course, we have TikTok, we have Instagram, we have LinkedIn, we have Pinterest, just to name a few of the most popular, widely used social media websites and apps. Okay? And you can use social media right from your phone. Just download the app and have fun posting. Copy, paste, post, and ultimately profit. Now, if you're not a social media person, I totally get it. Do not worry. There's so many options for you. You can even take this offline if you so wish and desire. We have resources for that. We sure do. And then we have many low-cost paid resources where you can literally just go and buy traffic. Okay? And I'll share some of those with you in today's video. So please stay tuned. The best is yet to come. So when you get back here, folks, you're going to sign up. You're going to do 2 simple steps. You're going to pay your $50. That's going to come directly to me. And then you're going to pay your one-time admin fee. That's going to go to the company, $14.95. So you're looking at $64.95. Okay, for an amazing, affordable, simple, scalable, and duplicatable system called Profit Pals Pro. That's been in existence for well over a year right now, not going anywhere. Okay? So we have the dashboard. That's where you're going to grab your link. That's going to be your direct link to your sales page where somebody can review the information, scroll to the bottom, and follow steps 1 and 2 and get started with you. And you can collect unlimited. You have the potential to collect unlimited $50 payments. Okay? Then we go to get started. This is important. You click on get started. You want to watch this video. It's an orientation video. It's a walkthrough. It's 17 minutes and 48 seconds. You don't want to skip anything. You want to watch it from beginning to end. If you need to reference it again, if you need to go back, it's always going to be here for you, and you can certainly do that. It's going to explain everything you need to know, okay? Firsthand, what to do first. So please watch all of this, and you're going to be well on your way. Instructions are very important. This is going to explain to you everything you need to know, how the compensation plan works, the rankings, okay? Entering your payment methods. This is direct member-to-member pay. You can literally get paid however you wish. And yes, this is worldwide. It is global. There's a section for other. So if you happen to need a payment method and you don't see it, all you have to do is go into the other box and specify how you want to get paid, put your payment details in there, and you can start getting payments to your favorite payment method, okay, of your choice. You're going to enter your new member banner. That explains to you there's banners in there that you can utilize if you want to. And this explains the simple compensation plan. Very easy. And then number 4, you're off to the races. Now, I do encourage everybody to join the Facebook group. It's for paid members. There's lots of great information, lots of value, and lots of marketing information in there as well. There are different resources that you can tap right into. There's images that the owner and the admin provides there that you can literally swipe, download, upload, and post to your Facebook page. So definitely very beneficial. This is where you go to join the paid members Facebook group. Once you join, come down here, request to join this, you'll get approved, and then you can go in there and you can start at the bottom and scroll down and look for anything you need to look for. Okay, very, very helpful group by far. All right. So make sure you go through the instructions. Then you set up your profile. This is where you set up your information, plug in your information, your name, your email address, and choose how you want to get paid. It's coming directly to you, and you keep 100% of the commissions. We've got Cash App, we've got Square, we've got PayPal, we've got Venmo, we've got Wise, we have Apple Cash, we have Zelle. We have all kinds of ways that you can get paid, folks. And if you're outside of the country, folks, you can get paid however you need to get paid. I mean, there's sources like Payoneer, there's Skrill, there is, of course, Wise and PayPal are very popular, global, worldwide. I happen to have both of those as well. If you have a merchant account, I mean, there's Stripe, there's Square. You decide however you want to get paid, folks, whatever works best for you. It is member to member. There's crypto. The choice is totally yours. Okay. And then again, there's a section. If you don't see a method, all you do is go into that section and you designate and you specify and you type out your specific payment details, instructions, information, ID, whatever you need and however you need somebody to pay you. Okay. So lots and lots of choices. Then we've got your downline where you track and monitor your members. Here's some great marketing resources. There's a flyer. There are business cards. There are drop card templates. There's text ads 1, 2, 3, and 4 that you can utilize to your liking. There's a great email swipe copy here that you can literally take, copy and paste like this, swipe and deploy it if you have any type of warm email list whatsoever. This works very, very well. You got the subject line here and you got the email body right here and you've got your link. Just make sure you make it clickable. This is a tool I love. I absolutely love it, folks. All you do is click here and then generate your ad. This is going to create email swipes for you to use. You can take this out to any safe list, any solo ad vendor, any click traffic vendor, and use to your liking with great, great results. We've got Herculist. We have Traffic Zest. We have Top Surfer. We have Udemy, just to name a few, folks. Here's the ad copy if you want to use it. Okay, there's the subjects. There's the email copy. There's the link. Okay, look, click on this little icon. Generate your ad. It's going to generate a new subject line and a new email copy for you to literally use. Okay, now you put your name in here at the bottom. You can put your contact details. If you want to use a cell phone, you can do that. If you don't want people to text or call you, no issues. Put an email address. Totally up to you. The program sells itself, so you don't have to worry about getting on the phone and answering, 101 questions, folks. Not the way this program is designed. It literally does all the telling, selling, and explaining for you at one affordable price point, folks. Okay? Completely rejection free. Very, very functional, simple, automated to the max. All right? So again, click here, generate the ad, and you can literally do this. There's so many email swipes in here. So you can use this if you have your own email list, any type of warm email list, wherever you would like to. If you're doing any kind of safe lists, email mailing lists, FFA confirmation emails, personal emails, any type of paid email traffic. Okay? And then we have our banner ads. Okay? There's the banner ad right there that you can literally copy and paste and provide if you're going to be doing banner ads. Okay, so there it is, folks. There's the code. That's the word I was looking for. See, there's the code. You just literally copy and paste it and you order your banners. A great place to go for banners happens to be topsurfer.com. That's TOPSURFER.com. Okay, great resource. Lots and lots of banner ads galore. Okay, these work very well. All right, and very low cost. So these are the various resources. Again, social media works fantastic. It is free. You can reach so many people. Get this in front of so many eyeballs all day and all night, folks, for free. For me personally, I've gotten excellent results from YouTube and Facebook. Of course, we have TikTok and Instagram. We also have LinkedIn and Pinterest, just to name a few. Now, on the paid side, if you don't use social media, there's Herculist. That's HERCULIST. I mentioned Top Surfer. There's Traffic Zest, zest.com, Traffic Zest. And then we have udimi.com, Udemy. All right? Those are all excellent proven resources. We have our marketing, which I just shared with you where to go for that. We got the leaderboard. Currently, I'm sitting at number 3. I've done very well with this program. Okay, love it. Can't say enough of good things about it. We got the product. This is where you're going to access your 5K formula. This is the product. This is going to give you the knowledge, the information, the skill set, and the mindset, all combined inside of one power-packed product, folks. Works really great. This is a digital product. You'll have instant access to it, to access it, to use it, to download it, okay, to give you what you need to be successful. The CEO Wealth Formula with the 5K formula. You download it right here. There's your MP3 course right here, folks. Okay, make money or make excuses. And let's face it, we only have these 2 choices. You can go on doing what you're doing, keep making excuses, but unfortunately you can't make money out of excuses no matter what you do or how hard you try. So if you're serious, folks, you want something that actually works, is simple, affordable, that has mass market appeal. You need extra holiday cash. Who doesn't? This time of year, folks, you're in the right place at the right time. Let's get you going today. Okay? We got the Heavy Hitters cheat code. Look at this. Excellent. This is a product that formerly was selling for $4.99. You access it for $50. Over 3 hours, 35 minutes, and 16 seconds of pure value, pure content. Okay? Exactly what you're getting right here, folks. This is incredible stuff. You got the foundation, the business model, the home office is the conclusion. You got a powerful, jam-packed audio magazine library from the legends. Anybody who's been in the industry has seen and heard and knows exactly who these legends are. Okay? So you're going to be able to learn from the best, and they're going to share their secrets. They're dropping tons of secrets, tons of golden nuggets, how they went from zero scratch to multiple 6 and multiple 7 figures in 1 year alone. And then we have our audio training series, Mindset, the 5K formula. Videos 1, 2, 3, and 4, the mindset transformation. Folks, you're going to love this. Okay? $50. Absolutely crazy value, folks, for one affordable price that everybody can afford. Okay? Now, this is total optional. It's a special bonus offer. You can certainly upgrade at any time, and this is going to increase your income earning potential. It's an optional lead capture paid system. You can purchase it. You purchase it. You can resell it for 100% commissions. So instead of earning $50 commissions, you can be earning $150 commissions. A very nice little jump and boost. And yes, I do have this, okay, just to let you know. All right. And this is exactly what you're getting for this wonderful one-time upgrade. Okay. So you can check all that out. This is where you can find your capture pages. Okay, right here. These are all available for you to utilize. Alrighty. And then we have the lead manager where you can check your leads, you can download them, you can export them and use them to your liking. Follow up on your own if you would like to, above and beyond the follow-ups that are going to go out for you. And then we have a wonderful link creator, a link archive, and these are all part of your lead and capture page management system. Okay, additional tools that come on as add-ons. And then we have our bonus downloads. Okay, so you get all these extra add-ons as bonuses, part of your product package as part of your digital product package for profit, Pals Pro. See? 10 downloads, plus the bonus Millionaires Online audio download, and then unlocking the master key system. It's all here, folks. 5 additional downloads. All right? So it's all here. I hope you found this to be very helpful, very insightful, very beneficial. And folks, the bottom line is it just simply works. So what you want to do right now, okay, head on over to dailypaybeginshere.com. That is my marketing system that I'm using. I'm using it with great results. And this is something that you have the ability and the option to plug into as well. Okay? dailypaybeginshere.com. The link will be below. You might need to retype it into your browser. My contact details are here. Reach out, text me, or call me. Any questions? I'm happy to speak to you, respond back to you, and address any additional questions should you have them. But everything's pretty self-explanatory. So you'll come through here. Very easy, very easy. And then you're going to go to my landing page. And we're just going to go here to landing page. And it's going to simply redirect you here. And there's going to be explainer video 1, 2, 3, and 4. And this is an optional blueprint. Okay, this is something that you might want to check out. All right, and this is where you go to get started. You click on that magic red and white button. It's going to take you to the final destination. And you can review all the wonderful details and information that awaits you. Have fun playing around with this little illustrative calculator. Check out the success stories, the testimonials. Just click on these little black buttons right here. You're going to find me right here. This is my testimonial. Okay, so if you'd like to, check it out. Check it out. And then you just simply can review the product here. Click play. Get additional information on all the value you're getting. Click here to see the package. Okay, firsthand. And then you're going to follow step 1. Pay me the 50. Okay, see, this is my rank right here, a double blue diamond. I've done very well. I love the system. You can pay through Square with a debit or credit card. And I also have an afterpay option if you qualify. You can split up your $50 into 4 interest-free payments if you'd like, if you need to. Okay? And I've got my Cash App right here. I also take PayPal, Wise, and Venmo. All right, for your convenience. So if you happen to be outside of the United States, we can go PayPal. You can do it as a guest. You don't even have to have a PayPal account. You can pay with a debit or credit. Wise is also global. And then we've got Venmo. All right? See, pay with Wise, pay with Cash App, pay with Square. And there's my PayPal email address if you need the PayPal. And then we got the step 2. You pay the $14.95 one-time admin to the company direct. Okay? So check it out. You pay with a card. Stripe is worldwide. There's also international pay. If you're international, we got Revolt. And we have got Bitcoin, and we've got Wise, I believe. So there you go, folks. There's everything for you for your convenience. There's my name. There's my ID. Just follow the instructions. If you need anything, do indeed let me know, okay? Very, very important. Make sure you follow this instruction here. And if you need me to send you a copy to the admin of your receipt, if you're not able to do it for whatever reason, I'm happy to accommodate. So no worries. Please don't let anything hold you back. I'm here to help you every step of the way. Let's get you going today. Thank you. I hope to see you soon on the inside. Bye for now.